I'm recording in response to Marisol. So I agree with everything that you said about the hydrophobic amino acids stabilizing the core of the proteins and the hydrophilic ones destabilizing the proteins. And you chose valine as your stabilizer, or something that could replace the leucine in the zipper. And I completely agree. So valine is a hydrophobic amino acid, and that would help also stabilize the protein as a substitute for leucine. And as your destabilizer, you chose glutamine. So glutamine is a hydrophilic amino acid, so that would in fact destabilize the protein core, as you mentioned. So I completely agree with what you said there, and I think you did a great job explaining how the zipper works. I know a lot of other videos didn't really explain what exactly the zipper was, so you did a great job explaining the zip domain and all of the van der Waals forces that interact to stabilize the protein. And yeah, so you did a great job with your discussion.